Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Ranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be creating this very soft glam look for you guys featuring a gold and brown halo eye with a nude brown lip. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. To prep my skin, I always start with a moisturizer, but before that, I like to spray my face with some water. If you want, you can always switch it up with a toner. Post that, I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge 100 hours to moisturize my skin. To hydrate my under eye area, I'm using the Indulgio Rejuvenating Eye Serum. Next, I'm prepping my lips with the Nykaa Lip Crush Lip Balm in the shade Strawberry. Now post all these steps, I'll be waiting for at least 10 to 15 minutes till my skin can absorb all the goodness of the products I just used. Now before applying a primer, I am first spraying my face with a setting spray. This one is PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. For primer, I'm first using the Milani Prime Perfection all over my face. To fill in the pores of my forehead, nosy and under eye area, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. To deal with the blue undertones of the pigmentation around my mouth, I'm using an orange color corrector by Miss Claire. For foundation, I'm using the Lakme Invisible Foundation in the shade 2. This one is a little runny, but it gives a medium to buildable coverage. This blends beautifully into my skin with a beauty blender. However, it can be a little drying on the skin, so make sure to prep your skin thoroughly if you have a dry skin type. To highlight the areas like my forehead, under eye area, chin and nosy, I'm using the Wet n Wild Duo Stick in the shade medium. This concealer is considerably lighter than my skin tone in order to attract more light to these features and in turn making them look more prominent. To blend it, I'm using my beauty blender. To give some dimension and structure to my face, I'll be contouring my cheekbones, circumference of my face, my jawline and the sides of my nose using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Be very careful while using this concealer as it is very pigmented. A little goes a long way with this. To blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. To clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and to blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. For blush, I'm using this Sugar Blush Stick in the shade Mauve Marvel, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. For highlighter, I wanted something very subtle, so I'm going with the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. To set my concealer, I'm using a setting loose powder. This one's New Master Fix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. And to set and seal everything in place, I'll be using a setting spray. This one's PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using this brown eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette, and to spread the color across, I'm using a spoolie. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand. To set the concealer, I'm using the New Master Fix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'll be using a sticky tape. For my eyes, I'm first dipping into Burnt Orange and Orange Soda from the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics, and I'll be warming up my entire crease line with these two shades. To create a halo eye, I'll be picking up the shade Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my PAC brush in the style 126, and I'm depositing it in my outer and my inner corner, slightly dragging it through my crease line. To blend it, I'm using my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To give a pop of color and brightness to the middle of my lid, I'm using this bright gold shade from the Soft Glam palette by APH Cosmetics with my flat brush by APH Cosmetics. Here I'm just blending the brown shade with the gold shade using my pack brush in the style 126. Next, I'm smoking out the shade Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette by APH Cosmetics with my pack brush in the style 126. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using another gold shade from the Soft Glam palette by APH Cosmetics with my flat short shader brush. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For lipstick, I am first applying the shade Pillow Talk Medium from the Charlotte Tilbury brand. This is a nude pink shade and I am topping it up with a nude brown shade Cafe Latte by Faces Canada. For falsies, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Open Eyes. I didn't particularly fall in love with these lashes because I felt the band of these lashes were too stiff. And here is the finished look. I've let my hair loose in a beachy wave style with some bold statement danglers and a black top, which is apparently not visible, but anyhow you can pair it with any attire you like. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.